Hey techies, welcome to the Tech House. It has been a long days, we haven't seen any leaks from the Asus. Finally we have some leaks and renders of Asus Zenfone 8. Asus Zenfone 8 was spotted on Geekbench. It means Asus Zenfone 8 is right around the corner to be launched. Asus Zenfone 8 was spotted with single core score of above 1100, whereas multi-core score of above 3600 on the Geekbench, which basically suggests that the Zenfone 8 will be based on Snapdragon 888. It is also reported that Asus Zenfone 8 will have 120Hz of high refresh rate display with AMOLED technology. It is not confirmed yet. The Asus Zenfone 8 will follow its pre-successor Asus Zenfone 7 hardware like flip camera, which was really cool concept in the Asus Zenfone 7. Let's hope Asus Zenfone 8 will continue the same trend of flip camera as Asus Zenfone 7. It was the best camera phone in last year. It was rocking Sony IMX686 sensor. It is reported that Asus Zenfone 8 will be also rocking Sony sensor. So let's hope Asus Zenfone 8 will continue its legacy of best camera. It is reported that Asus may launch a smaller, handy and compact flagship Zenfone 8 this year. It will be named as Asus Zenfone 8 Mini. It will be featuring 5.67-inch of Super AMOLED display, while the topmost flagship Asus Zenfone 8 Pro will feature 6.67-inch of Super AMOLED display. Asus is planning to make its launch on air on May 12. So let's wait for the date. If you have enjoyed watching this video, drop us like down below and subscribe to us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.